Okay, I'm going to try this integral using u substitution. I'll let u be what I see on the inside, and x to the fourth plus 3. If I do, then du would be 4x cubed dx. And I want to rewrite this antiderivative in terms of u and du. Well, what have we got? We do see that there is an x cubed dx. I'm just going to rearrange it. And that there is this x to the fourth plus 3 squared. I'm looking for something else. I'm looking for this 4 and I don't see it. So I'm going to write it in there because I do need that as part of my du. And if I'm going to multiply it in, I need to also undo it. Say divide it out. And 4/4, of course, is 1. This is an okay thing to do. When we do, this is our du, and this is our u. I could rearrange it and call this u squared du. And now we'll go ahead and integrate. When we do, we'll keep it simple. We'll add 1, or so I say. Add 1 to that power. Call it 3 and divide by that number. Of course, there is the constant of integration and no room for the Holy Ghost here, so they are multiplied. That gives us u cubed divided by 12 plus the constant. Well, that is x to the fourth plus 3 cubed over 12 and any old constant.